Tired of recreating the same WhatsApp message templates over and over again? Let's unlock the secret to exporting your Wati templates for streamlined communication. First, navigate to the Templates section within your Wati account. This is where all your carefully crafted message templates are stored and ready for action. Now, select the templates you want to export. You can choose individual templates by checking the boxes next to each one, or select all if every template is what you need. Once you've made your selection, look for the export option, usually found as a button or a drop-down menu. Click it and pick your preferred format. We recommend CSV for simple data sharing or JSON for a more structured approach when involving other platforms. Your templates will be downloaded as a file to your computer. Make sure to remember where you saved the file, usually to your Downloads folder. Now, you can import this downloaded file into another Wati account, share them with your team, or use them as backup. Exporting templates allows for consistent messaging across different clients and accounts. Imagine importing templates for a new marketing campaign, helping a new employee, or creating standard replies for a whole organization. This is how exporting templates enhances your team's productivity and ensures consistent communication across all platforms.